Hello guys, hello people, welcome back to this YouTube channel KNG TV for another celebrity news and social media wahala. If not the first time this way you come across this video or you stop around this channel, please enter with your popcorn and grab a seat. Do me a favor by clicking on that red subscribe button and turning on your post notification. My very beautiful people, may God bless you as you do so. So the matter where it is on top of table today now about this our own very viral and famous Mary Daniel. Yes, the popular amputee pure water seller in Lagos. Now her matter don always surface for internet some hours ago. So my people, I see the video, I say no make I bring am because it can't be like she dey tell us wetin take happen wey she take tell us lies the first time when she be discovered some weeks ago. She still come up to tell us about the pure water factory where she opened, the reason she take open her and how it's a go since then, my people. She even can't tell us about the relationship where she gets with her aunt, now be her mother's sister and her husband. A whole lot of story, my people. But before that, I go leave una make una watch the video. Una know, yes, make una write for comment section what una think about the video, and if at all there is a way to help, make una take locate am for take help am. I go leave the video for you make una watch, but please do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Do not forget to turn on your post notification. Do not forget to share the video with your friends and family. I thank you for the support and I will see you on my next video. As of now, I'm out. One love.
Before the accident, I was thinking that I'll be a lawyer when I grow up. And then since there, I started selling pure water, be sending my grandmother small change, be keeping my own. Sometimes I sleep in the shop, sometimes I sleep in the street, sometimes I sleep in that will show the market side. Nigeria. Now what I'm supposed to talk, now I talk. Make people help me. Because I don't suffer a lot. I don't get money. I don't say I don't get mother. I don't get accident for motor. Now me I know verse. Say I lie. I not blame now. I blame myself. Why not put mouth? Say the truth. But Sha, forgive me. My name is Mary Daniel. The pure water seller I know showed before. That my name when I to my audio Abuja they talk. Say my name no be Mary Daniel. Sha not true. As I go that antenatal, my pikin belle now even say which name I go even give my pikin. Now I carry that Daniel. But my father name no be Daniel. My father name na Nusa. Na be name. That Mary no be my real name. My real name na Blessing. But my native name na Ojonugwa. Onu. I want to thank Nigeria for supporting me, making me to raise 25 million to build this house. I need to start this water factory. Thank everybody. And thank you, government of Lagos State, that helped me from taking me to a hotel, stay for 2 weeks. From there, they say, Sawolu give me 12 million. People they thought say give me 12 million. You not give me any money. Oh. Now yeah, the year. They say, Sawolu give money, I buy this house. Sawolu give money, I buy this one. Sawolu give money, I do this one. No. Now the money people contribute 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 20,000. I be this house with there. Sawolu shishi no day here. In 10 naira, you no day here. What I not say help me at that hotel? Why I spend 2 weeks for there without birthday. So that birthday, another person I even do for me. Even though I did that hotel self, no doctor even come tell me congrats. Say God have wiped away my tears. Say him I don't pass through like that. Even as me and him come they discuss self. I don't even know say now as he explain himself. Say now he be so person. Now come they discuss. And from there you can ask me all this men they work for this hotel. Who me I like? I don't like man. I don't like anybody. Cause when I saw me I go remain. I said no. No be so I go remain. Now the boy from nowhere go say, hey, you know they even beg me make I marry him. Me I no agree. Now I go say I beg go marry, no can go viral. For just say marry, they go marry. Now the boy they come cut flower. Where did that hotel? Say if me I go marry, I ain't go stand up. Cause he need down. Say me I marry, I ain't go stand up. If me I no marry, I ain't go stand up. Now it's okay. I go marry you, stand up. Now people come to say, person don't come bribe me, chop money. I not be mumu. You not to say me I be mumu. I know what I do. I pass go from nowhere. I don't know in character. I don't know. I just jump into marriage. I not do that for my mumu. This time around, I shine your eye. I think I make me say I go marry say na my pikin. I know me she be one. That's why she be 2. I go stay. But because of her, I go marry. Born. When she get junior 1, we go dey play. That's only she go dey play about. She even dey with me. She don't even enter school. She dey go school. I even think. Say me and my pikin even there. I don't even plan say my pikin go over there with me this year. Now next year I even plan to go career. Even from there, many people, even one man, even send me code of 100 million code from London. The man collect the money back. Even one woman again, 50 million. The woman collect that money back. Even who again, many people they collect the money back. That money they go complete this pure water. Complete everything. Even our shishi, I don't even get. If not say, now this king, Igala king for this Lagos state here. Now he help me get out. I think get this house. Because so people they call me for code, call me for this one, make I bring, make them collect my money. The man use the money buy this house for me. And the man still bring this pure water idea. Or it's na supermarket I won't open. I don't get money to even complete them. But man still open now. People not say I use the money do something. Because everybody say because they say person, my mother said person send me from Asaba to come sell water. I don't know who send me. See, I use the money buy house. And I even get 2 tenants. 2 tenants don't rent. And then I still need money to complete my factory. Like this factory, like this pipe with the tank, with ties, door, many things. I don't buy the engine. Buy waiting be pure water, the gen. I don't buy everything. No, what is the woman? Only ties, German floor, and the door and zinc with the pipe of the tank. Until they warn me. And the accident just happened like that is 2006, January 13. They won't come like that with a big na labor yard now. They won't burn a vulcanizer. The boy bring tire come. They won't 3 way there. Now I wake up one morning, just run to the tire, stand at the place. They come bust, carry me go up with the breeze, bring me that ring where they inside, come from up, come knock me from my leg, scatter the bone. They say if they don't cut the leg, I will die. Before they come cut the leg, I tell you good Lord, this thing, give money cash like this, 50,000. My mother started that, but I don't know what kind of hair. She shoved that money to today. Even good Lord give them money, made I go do my teacher 200,000 that time. They shove that money, don't do that like for me. And then once again, that people that they think that I lie, I did not lie, yo. Even though I dey under my, they tell me I dey even pass, I go talk the same thing. My father, take good care of me. I no go call her my father. Since my mother died 2012, she handed over me to her junior sister before she died. As her junior sister, husband they maltreat me, they do one kind. Now so I no fit stay. Now come out, go village, go stay. Since 2014, they no even care whether my sister pikin wey dey there, she still there alive. I bet she no still there alive. They no even care. And then me, I no even care. I even think I say, me, I know they even keep up for person. My own mother sister call me, tell me, say, me, I go still go back to that pure water. Call me on phone, no. If not, I cannot record them. Call me, say, me, I go still go back to that pure water. Me, I go still go back to square one. But I tell her, say, if now God open my file, I no go back. But if not be God, I go back. I beg Nigeria. Anyway, I offend una, may not forgive me. If I go feel help una sister or na pikin, may not help me. I be orphanage. I no get mama. I no get papa. I no get anybody. May not help me. Huh? May not help me. God go bless now. I know say I lie for una. May not forgive me. The pure water name na Mary Daniel. Now I go still give that pure water. May not help me. Oh.